A lot of what we'll see today is connecting all the dots here on road systems, trail systems, all that to keep things in place. We do have a full aerial asset today, meaning as of this morning, we have air tankers and helicopters to help keep this in check until we get all these pieces in place.
Right now, in terms of some statistics for you, we've got 500 firefighters on the ground, 11 hotshot crews, several helicopters and air tankers as needed, with additional resources on the way. With 1,800 acres so far have been burned, this risk is very real.